In this video I'm going to show you how to record your audio and MIDI from the Roland Boutique into Logic Pro. Now you can do this at the same time, so you can record the MIDI data and the audio data, and this will let you then in Logic re-edit the MIDI and then send it back into the Roland, and it will play it back for you as a sequence, and then you can also then record it from there. So if you make a mistake, you don't necessarily have to play all the notes again. It's nice and easy to do. So the first thing you do is turn your Roland on, plug a USB cable in, plug the other end into your MacBook and select the patch. The next thing you need to do is download the driver from the Roland website, install it, restart your Mac and then open up Logic Pro. We're going to take a look at Logic now and what settings we need. So I've now got Logic Pro open, and what I need to do is click on File, New, to open up a new project. And what you'll notice when it does it, my Mac's being a bit slow at the moment, it'll come up with a box asking you to select what instrument you want to use. Now you'll be able to see that it says Boutique down here. I'm going to show you how you get that on there. Just temporarily I'm going to create a software instrument so it doesn't close. Now click on Logic Pro X at the top, click Preferences, Audio, and this box here you can see here it says Output Device and Input Device Boutique. What you need to do is click on Input Device and make sure it says Boutique. If it doesn't, reinstall the drivers, restart your Mac and try it again. Make sure it's plugged in and turned on when you open up Logic. Output device is also set to Boutique. That means that anything on the timeline of Logic will play through the speakers of the Boutique. So if you've got drums on the timeline, it will also play those. If you don't want that to happen, click on Built-in Output. When you've changed those, make sure you click Apply Changes. The MIDI section, there's no indication of the Boutique on there. It just picks it up as a general MIDI device. So close that. I'm going to make a new track. So click on here, External MIDI first. You'll notice it says Boutique 1. Now if you click on this, you'll get lots of options. I've never experimented with the others. I've just used that as a default and it's worked. So if I click Create, it makes it here. And if I play something, you'll see it jumps there. Now if I press record and play something, you see I've got MIDI data. And what's really good about this, even though that sounded terrible, is if I play this back, the sound will come back through the Boutique. Like so. Let's delete it. I'm going to show something else now. If I click on this and select Audio and make sure Input is Input 1 and 2, and you'll notice Input Device here says Boutique. So if I click that, it takes me up to this screen. So that's how you make sure that your Boutique will be picked up as audio. Again, Output Device, that just means it will play through the Boutique speakers. Click Create, and we need to select both now. So if we select the top one, hold Shift down, select the bottom one, and press record. And press stop. As you can see, it's recorded the MIDI data and the audio. Now what's great about this is I can get my audio and I can just shove it over there, double click my MIDI, and I can change it down here. Why might you want to do that? Well, what I can do is I can go and actually then change individual notes. So I can move them around. Now this is going to sound bad, I'm just illustrating a point here. I've noticed my MacBook battery is running out as well, which is always good. So I've changed some MIDI data. I'm just going to speed this up and just get rid of my chords. And what I can now do as I showed you before, is I can put this back at the beginning, I can go onto here, I can select my audio, press record, and it will play those MIDI notes back through the Boutique and record it as audio, so I don't have to replay any sections. And that is it. Hopefully you found this useful.